Once you've created your personal account, sign in each time you use Access World News in order to take advantage of the account features. Select Sign In to My Folder from the Session Folder drop-down menu. Sign in to your account. Notice the folder has now been updated to reflect your name. From a search results page, you can save articles by selecting them from the list and then clicking Save to My Folder from the toolbar. Notice the message to let you know that these articles have been added to your folder. You can also save an individual article to your folder by selecting Save to My Folder from the toolbar and clicking on Save Article. To view your saved articles, select My Saved Articles from the drop-down options under your personal folder. To help keep your research organized, you may want to create custom folders. Select the related articles and click on Save to Folder from the toolbar. You can either select an existing folder or create a new folder for these articles. To create a new folder, add its name and click Move Articles. Notice your new folder listed under My Saved Articles. You can also save searches to easily access and rerun the search later. From the search results page, select Save Search just above the list of articles. Notice the message to let you know that your search was saved to your folder. To review or edit your saved searches, select My Saved Searches from the drop-down options under your personal folder. Click on the search to rerun your search. Another feature of creating a personal account is the ability to create a news alert. From the search results page, select Create Alert just above the list of articles. You can create an email alert by entering your email address and select how often you want to receive these news alerts. Then click Create Alert. Manage your alerts by selecting My Saved Alerts from the drop-down option under your personal folder.